Good morning and namaskar friends. Today we will take a look at the Q2 results of Kotak Mahindra Bank. It's a very good mid-sized bank, private bank. Uday Kotak was the MD till recently. He resigned and now Ashok Vaswani has taken over. This resignation of Uday Kotak was hanging. There were rumors for the last 2 years. So, the performance of the bank, especially price performance of the bank, was not that good during the last 2 years. Now that Ashok Vaswani has taken over, I think the bank will pursue a good policy of aggressive expansion. Now let us look at the results. Interest on advances. In Q2 it was 9,916 crores. In Q1 it was 9,427 crores and 7,280 crores in Q2 of last year. So there was a growth on this interest on advances of 36.22% year on year and 5.19% quarter on quarter. The next big income is income on investments. 3,226 crores in Q2, 3,064 crores in Q1 and 2,331 crores in Q2 of last year. So, the growth on this item is 38.4% quarter year on year and 5.3% quarter on quarter. The others are small ones. Now, let us go to total interest income. Total interest income is 13,717 crores in Q2 and this is 37.25% growth year on year and 6.59% growth quarter on quarter. Now, let us go to the expenses. The major expenditure is interest expended. Interest expended is 5,536 crores in Q2, 4,834 crores in Q1 and 3,374 crores in Q2 of last year. Growth of the interest expended has grown by 64% year on year and 14.5% quarter on quarter, proportionately much more than the interest income, proportionately. So, net interest income is 8,181 crores in Q2, 8,035 crores in Q1, 6,620 crores in Q2 of last year. So, the growth is 23.59% year on year and 1.82% quarter on quarter. So, anyway, net interest income has grown reasonably well. There are other expenses are nothing much to brag about. Operating profit 6,343 crores. Good. 6,000 crores in Q1, 4,884 crores in Q2 of last year. So, the growth is around 30% year on year and about 6% quarter on quarter. Operating profit has grown reasonably well. Now, let us look at the provisions. Provisions are 455 crores year on year, 414 crores in Q1. So, 455 crores is Q2, 414 crores is Q1 and 136.5 crores is Q2 of last year. So, the growth is provisions have grown 233%. Year on year 9.87% quarter on quarter. Provisions must come down. Then net profit. Net profit is 4,423 crores in Q2, 4,109 crores in Q1 and 3,579 crores in Q2 of last year. a growth of 23.56% year on year and 7.63% quarter on quarter. So net profit growth is reasonably good, 23.56% year on year and 7.63% quarter on quarter. Equity is 993.75 crores. Basic EPS is 22.45 rupees. And percentage of gross NPA is 1.69%. It has come down by 19.1% year on year and come down by 3.43% quarter on quarter. That is reasonably good. Percentage of net NPA, that is 0.39% in Q2, and that has come down by minus 35% year on year and minus 9.3% quarter on quarter. Gross NPA is percentage is 1.69%, which has come down by 19.1% year on year and 3.43% quarter on quarter. So gross NPA, net NPA performance is very good. Both are less than 1. That is, even gross NPA is 1.69, net NPA is 0.39. It's very good. Return on assets is 0.67, also good. 1.52% growth anyway, year on year, and 3.08% growth quarter on quarter. Market price is 1,753 rupees. Earnings per share is 22.45. Therefore, price earning on that basis is 19.52. Now, 52-week range in the price is 1,643.50 lowest, 2,064.40 highest. So, the current price is somewhat nearer to the 52-week low. So, that shows the sentiment arising out of the resignation of Uday Kotak. Volumes are okay. You can buy and sell easily. Trailing 12 months EPS growth is reasonable. Quarterly results are also reasonable. ROE is improving in the last 2 years. ROA, return on assets, also is improving in the last 2 years. Net profit and net profit margin both are improving, both quarter on quarter and year on year. Revenue is increasing during the last 4 quarters. Annual net profits are also improving in the last 2 years. Book value is also improving in the last 2 years. Zero promoter pledge. That's very good. Now, cash flows are coming down. And the current price is nearer to 52-week low. But price earning ratio is reasonable. The brokers are giving reasonably good recommendation, probably because Ashok Vaswani's reputation also is very good. So NPAs are decreasing. These are all good. Uday Kotak's going has created a rather bad sentiment about the bank. Now that Ashok Vaswani has come, I think it will improve. So the stock, Kotak Mahindra Bank is a mid-range performer. It's not a very great performer, but it's a mid-range performer. Price momentum is not great. Price to book ratio is 3.12, that is okay. Face value 5 rupees, market cap is 3,48,000 crores, okay. Book value is 562.59. Analyst rating based on 38 analysis outperform. Piotrowski score is 5. Average financials. Shareholding pattern, promoters have decreased their shareholding from 25.94 to 25.93. Mutual funds have increased their holdings from 9.45 to 9.63. FIs have decreased their holdings slightly. Institutional investors also have decreased their holdings slightly. Now, if you look at the price performance, as I said, during the last 2 years, it has not been very good. So, will it be a good multi-bagger in the year to come? We don't know. It depends upon Ashok Vaswani and his team. he needs to bring in aggressive expansion of branches and also improve the net interest margin. So, if these things are done, I think, of course, overall it is a good bank. That has to be said. One of the efficient banks. So, these are the various points about Kotak Mahindra Bank. You need to study it in detail, watch the quarterly performances and then take your own decisions. Thank you for listening to me. This is a good bank for the long term. In the short term, nothing is predictable, depends on Ashok Vaswani. So, friends, I will be back with you with another very good company.